Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Using the trigonometrical tables, the trigonometrical tables gives the values of natural sine, cosine and tangents up to 4 decimal places. A trigonometrical table consists of 3 parts. First part, a column on extreme left which contains degrees from 0 degree to 89 degree. Second part, 10 columns headed by 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minute, 24 minute, 30 minute, 36 minute, 42 minute, 48 minute and 54 minute respectively. Third part, the 5 columns headed by 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute and 5 minute respectively. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That is, it is written as 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Exercise 21D, sum number 1. Use table to find sine of first part, sine 21 degree. Inside your test book, page number 450, the pages of natural sine. This is the 3-part, degrees, minute and mean difference. Okay, 0 to 89 degree, here 0 minute, 6 minute, 12, 18, 24 till 54 minutes and mean difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this we want sine 21 degree. So sine 21 degree is here 21, so it is 0.3584. Second sum, sine 34 degree 42 minutes. Sine 34 degree 42 minutes. 42 minutes is this column from above. So it is, answer is 0.5693. Third part, sine 47 degree 32 minutes. 32 minutes can be written as for 30 minutes plus 2 minutes. So answer will be 47 degree 30 minutes. 30 minutes is 0.7373 plus 2 minutes plus 4, 0.004 you have to add. Therefore answer will be 0.7377. Same way continue for other. Fourth sum, sine 62 degree 57. 57 you can write it as 54 degree 54 minute plus 3 minutes. Therefore sine 62 degree 54 minute is 0.8902 plus 3 minute is 0.004. Therefore answer will be 0.8906. Fifth part, sine 10 degree 21 minute plus 20 degree 45 minutes. Degrees you can add, minute you can add. It is 30 degree 65 minutes. 1 degree is 60 minutes. So you minus 60 here and add 1 here. We get 31 degree 5 minute, which is equals to 31 degree is 0.5150. 5 minute is 0.0012. Answer is 0.5162. Second sum, use tables to find cosine of first sum, cos 2 degree 4 minute. Here in your test book, natural cosine is on page number 452. The number in difference column to be subtracted, not added. Example, first question was 2 degree and 4 minute. 2 degree is 0.9994 and 4 minute is 0.0001. We will subtract. Answer will be 0.9993. Okay. Second part, cos 8 degree 12 minute. Same way here. 8 degree and 12 minute is 0.9898 is the answer. Third question, cos 26 degree 32 minutes. Therefore 32 minutes we will write it as 30 minutes plus 2 minutes. Cos 26 degree 30 minutes is 0.8949. 2 minutes difference is 3. So minus 0.0003. Answer will be 0.8946. Same way, sum number 4, cos 65 degree 41 minutes is equals to cos 65 degree 36 minute plus 5 minute. Cos 65 degree 36 minute is 0.4131. Cos 5 degree is minus 0.0013. Therefore answer is 0.4118. Fifth part, cos 9 degree 23 minute plus 15 degree 54 minute. Add the degree and minute, we get cos 24 degree 77 minutes minus 60 and add here 1. It will be cos 25 degree 17 minute. 17 minutes you can write it as cos 12 minute plus 5 minute. Therefore cos 25 degree 12 minute is 0.0948 minus cos 5 minute is 0.0006. Therefore answer is 0.9042. Sum number 3. Use trigonometrical tables to find tangent of. First, tan 37 degree. Natural tangent is on page number 454. We want tan 37 degree, which is here 37 degree 0.7536. Second sum, tan 42 degree and 18 minutes. 18 minutes is here, this one. This is 0.9099. Second sum 0.0099. Third sum, tan 17 degree 27 minutes, which is tan 17 degree 24 minute plus 3 minute. This tan 17 degree 24 minute is 0.3134 plus 3 minute is 0.0010 equal to 0.3144. Sum number 4. Use tables to find the acute angle theta if the value of sine theta is, first sum, 0.4848. Again come to the table of natural sine, 0.4848. From the table it is clear that 0.4848 is 29 degree. Therefore sine 29 degree is 0.4848. Therefore theta is 29 degree. Second part, 0.3827. From the table it is clear 0.3827 is here, which is 22 degree and 30 minutes. Therefore theta is 22 degree 30 minutes. Third part, 0.6525. From the table it is clear that 0.6525 6521, here it is, and difference is 4. This is 40 degree and 42 minute, and difference is 4 means 2 minutes you add, so 40 degree 44 minutes. Sum number 5. Use table to find the acute angle theta if the value of cos theta is, first part, 0.9848. Natural cosine table. Question is 0.9848. cos 10 degree is 0.9848. Therefore, theta is 10 degree. Second part, cos theta equal to 0.9574. 9573 is 16 degree 48 minute. So one difference of 1 is there, minus 1. Therefore answer will be 16 degree. You have to here subtract. So 47 minutes. Third part, cos theta equal to 0.6885. From the table, it is clear that 46 degree 30 minute is 0.6884. Therefore, cos theta minus cos 46 degree 30 minutes will be 0.6885 minus 0.6884 equal to 0.001. From the difference table, 1 minute is 0.002. Therefore, theta is equals to 46 degree 30 minute minus 1 minute equal to 46 degree 29 minutes. Sum number 6. Use the table to find acute angle theta if value of tan theta is, first part, 0.2419. From the table of natural tangent, we want 2419. Here it is. Therefore, this is 13 degree 36 minutes. Therefore, theta is 13 degree 36 minutes. Second part, 0.4741. From the table, it is clear that 0.4727 here is 25 degree and 18 minute. The difference is 4741 minus 0.4727 is 14, which is 4 minute. So 25 degree 18 minute plus 4 minute, which is 25 degree 22 minute. Third question, 0.7391. From the table, it is clear that 36 degree 24 minute is 0.7373. Tan theta minus tan 36 degree 24 minute is 0.7391 minus 0.7373 equal to 0.0018. From the table, difference of 4 minute is 0.0018. Therefore, theta is 36 degree 24 minute plus 4 minute equal to 36 degree 28 minute.